Homeowners, contractors, and builders across the country are discovering what thousands of satisfied customers have already known for over 10 years. The heat stops here. Introducing Lomit Radiant Barrier Coating, a new approach to an old problem, stopping your home or buildings from being solar heat traps and allowing users to immediately reap the benefits of energy conservation and comfort control. Regular building insulation is designed to reduce heat loss and gain due to convection and conduction, but it's much less efficient at controlling radiation heat loss and gain. Lomit is a silver-colored, non-thickness dependent, low-emissivity coating that has a superb ability to reflect both heat and light, making it an excellent low-cost substitute for metallic foils or metallized plastic films. As the sun strikes the roof of a building, the construction materials in the attic or crawl spaces, including insulation, absorb and store that heat. This radiant heat energy remains long after the sun is set, forcing air conditioning and climate control systems to dissipate the stored heat energy that's radiating into living or working areas of the building. With a radiant barrier coating of Lomit on the underside of the roof, buildings can control their radiant heat absorption by reflecting much of that energy back before it affects the temperature inside attic or crawl spaces. This dramatically reduces the load on cooling systems for residential, business, and industrial users. In fact, radiant heat transfer accounts for up to 93% of heat gain in the summer and 50 to 60% of heat loss in the winter. Because of this tested and proven concept, radiant heat barriers are a recognized cost-effective energy conservation product by many state and federal agencies, as well as utility companies and conservation groups. Lomit's unique properties of high temperature tolerance, excellent adhesion, and ability to produce uniformly low emissivities on a wide variety of substrates make it a popular choice in the competitive field of high technology coatings. Over 30 million square feet has been installed in residential and commercial construction since 1986. Lomit is easy to apply. It's shipped pre-mixed and ready to use. Airless spray equipment or low nap rollers are the preferred application methods. It may be sprayed directly to the underside of the roof deck during new construction, or the roof sheathing may be sprayed or rolled while laying on the ground before construction and stored for future uses. 1 gallon covers 350 to 500 square feet, and an operator using spray equipment can easily install 1,000 square feet per hour. The new Lomit 2 water-based product may be safely used by remodelers in retrofit applications where the installation of foil products would be prohibitively expensive. Lomit works by changing the emissivity of the surface where it's applied. Most building materials have high emissivities. When heated, they lose most of their heat by radiating to cooler surfaces. By applying Lomit to construction materials, their emissivity, or ability to radiate heat, is reduced by 75%. That means Lomit can reduce air conditioning costs and climate control adjustments by 8 to 12% in new construction, and substantially more when retrofitted to older buildings. And when tested in conjunction with an R19 insulation bat in a typical attic installation, Lomit was found to have increased the R value to R34, giving it an apparent R value of R15 for heat influx. Since radiant heat barriers are known to have a positive effect on reducing heat outflux during the heating season, that gives Lomit unparalleled year-round performance in reducing utility costs. Lomit does not damage shingles or other roofing materials, and even though it dramatically reduces the amount of solar heat radiation absorbed by buildings, it causes only a negligible increase in roofing surface temperatures. Lomit does not lose its effectiveness over time. In experimental test samples installed over 13 years ago, the same low emissivity levels exist today as when originally installed. Lomit can be applied to practically any substrate, including concrete block, glass, galvanized steel, plywood, OSB, wallboard, craft paper, rubber roofing, built-up and tar roofing, polypropylene, and many other substrates. Lomit's lightweight, high temperature tolerance, high reflectivity, and low emissivity extends potential applications beyond building and construction, to include aeronautics, automotive industries, plastics, power generation, appliances, and many other applications. Lomit Radiant Barrier Coating, effective and efficient energy conservation for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. Safely retrofitted in enclosed spaces using Lomit 2 water-based radiant barrier. Easy to apply by spray or roller on most construction materials. When interior applications aren't possible, Lomit makes an excellent radiant barrier roof coating, and it's certified for exterior use by many of America's premier roofing manufacturers. Energy conservation, comfort control, utility savings. Lomit, no wonder the heat stops here. For more information about Lomit, contact the Solar Energy Corporation at 609-883-7700. Or visit our website at www.solec.org.